big, like size-wise. Excuse me. I'm not wearing any makeup. I'm pissed that this video I just did on Facebook isn't working, and I wanted to put it on my blog, so I'm gonna do it on YouTube. So it's me singing. That's me. White Blank Page by Mumford and Sons. So bypass this if you're a troll. Can you lie next to her and give her your heart as well as your body? And can you lie next to her and confess your love as well as your folly? And can you kneel before this king and say, I'm clean, but tell me now, where was my fault in loving you with my whole heart? Oh, tell me now, where was my fault in loving you with my whole heart? This is where the part where Mumford and Sons goes balls to walls with like jamming. So let's pretend they're jamming right now, and I'm just gonna be like, okay. Her white blank page in a swelling rage. You did not think when you pushed me to the brink, Tell me now, where was my fault in loving you with my whole heart? You desired my attention, but denied my affections. So tell me now, where was my fault in loving you with my whole heart? Lead me to the truth, and I will follow you with my whole life.